Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have the Maleficent for you. Look at that freaking beauty, guys. Ooh, guys, it's very easy to make, simple. But if you have like 3 or 4 of these guys, ooh, you're gonna start seeing some fairies. It is strong. As you can see all the liquor that I have here, you will need all that. And you might actually need a wheelbarrow to go back home. But if you're drinking at home, crash on their couch, drink 4 or 5 of these guys, it's gonna be a blast. So if you wanna learn how to make it, make sure you stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're gonna need our cup full of ice, so let's get ready with that. And there you have it, guys. It's all filled up all the way to the top. All right, guys, so we're gonna start off with our vodka, 1/2 ounce. It's gonna be a strong drink. It's just another variation of the Long Island iced tea, all these other, the AMF, all those different ones. So just 1/2 ounce of vodka, followed up by 1/2 ounce of tequila. Any tequila, I like preferring this one. I prefer this one, I mean. So you can tell I already had one. It's never too early or never too late to start drinking. Just don't tell that to my doctor. You might have a different opinion. Then 1/2 ounce of gin. Buying the bigger bottles, you guys, is better. Maybe not for your health, but it is for your wallet. Then you're gonna follow it up by another 1/2 ounce of white rum. Any of your preference. Prefer Flor de Caña. So good and delicious. If you wanna go cheap, you go Bacardi. Cheaper is not always better. Then I'm gonna follow it up by 1 ounce of sour mix. Then I'm gonna follow it up by 3/4 of an ounce of Blue Curacao. Oh, it smells so good. They should make an air freshener off of this, guys. I would buy all of them, so you wouldn't even get a chance to buy one. Definitely should make one. So there you have everything. Now you're just gonna need a big splash of Grenadine, just so it gives it color. So you can see it's already turning a little bit purplish. Just gonna stir with your straw. Now you're just gonna get your lemonade and top it off. Ooh, got scared there, huh, guys? I'm probably gonna need like another ice cube or 2 before this. They have another cube there. Now we're just gonna top it off with our lemonade. Almost to the top, because we do need to add garnishes, you guys. Gonna get a lime. It's gonna be her face. Get a couple blackberries. Put this to the side. All right, guys, so there you have the Maleficent iced tea. If you like what I do, you guys, remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me take a little sip of this. Ooh, guys, that's good. Before I start seeing fairies or anything like that of the sort, remember, guys, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know your favorite drinks so I can learn how to make them. Then I can drink something different, guys. I'm getting bored of the same drinks. Like, well, I'm actually not. But remember, guys, let me know what you like. If you had already drank this one before, comment down below. If you haven't, if there's anything better out there, let me know so I can try it. Remember, this is Alejandro The Mixologist, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.